Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona, and I'm also the owner of Carter Law Firm in Phoenix. And today I want to talk about trademarks, what they are, and why you should register them. So, what's a trademark? A trademark is the mark you put on your goods or services that inform consumers about the source and quality of your goods and differentiate you from other goods and services. So, when I think about trademarks, the first one I think about is Nike. What are their marks? Well, it's probably the word Nike, the swoosh, and back when Just Do It was one of their taglines, that was their mark too. So when you see the swoosh or the word Nike, you know what you can expect in terms of the quality of those shoes or apparel. Now I went digging in my closet to see if I could find something that had a trademark on it, and the one that I came up with is my Ignite shirt. So this is Ignite. Anyone who has an Ignite event has to buy a license from O'Reilly to get the rights to use the Ignite logo, and each one basically looks like this. It's the word Ignite with what I call the sprocket plus the city. And every time you see this logo, you know what kind of event you're going to and what you can expect from it. So that's kind of the basics of trademark. Now let's talk about registration. Now you get trademark rights in your mark just by using it in commerce. You don't have to register it. However, if you don't register it, you only have the rights to use it in your established market. Notice I said established market. Just having a website does not give you an established market everywhere that there's internet. It has to actually be where you are using it in commerce and people are purchasing it. At least where, yes. So, if you don't register your mark, your established market may be very small. Let me tell you a story about that. Do you know about Burger King? No, not the franchise. The first Burger King. It's a family restaurant in Mattoon, Illinois. I hope I said that right. They were the first Burger King restaurant, and they didn't register their mark. And after they opened their restaurant, the Burger King franchise came into existence, and they did register that mark. So what happened when Burger King franchise came into existence? The family restaurant is still able to exist. However, their market stopped being able to grow the second they registered that mark. So think of it like a snow globe coming down over that restaurant's established market the second that Burger King franchise registered their mark. When Burger King franchise registered, they got the rights to use the Burger King mark everywhere in the US except within the family-owned restaurant's established market, which the court said is a 20-mile radius around the restaurant. So Burger King franchise cannot have a restaurant within those 20 miles, but on the flip side, the family restaurant can't expand beyond that 20 miles. The only way they could is if they rebranded and changed their name. So if you have a mark or a business name that you consider your trademark and you don't register, somebody else might. And the second they do, you're not allowed to expand while using that mark. You can expand if you rebrand. So if you have plans to expand your business, I strongly encourage you to register your mark so that you establish the exclusive right to use your mark everywhere in the US, with the exception of if there's any competitors out there who are already using it, you will freeze them within their established markets, but they can't expand beyond that if you register your mark. So I also recommend, if you're wanting to register your mark, at least consult an attorney. It is possible to file your own application, but you want to at least consult an attorney so that you understand the process and that you make sure that your mark is trademarkable, because not every mark is. So if you have any other questions about trademarks, please consult an attorney in your community, and I will talk with you later. Take care.